Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. For your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. I'll be picking few cards. So these are for your general energies, guys. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation. And one card from the Crystal Spirits Oracle. So that is a general guidance. So we will open these cards. So these general energies that may relate to your career situation or your relationship, guys. Sagittarius. So we have the Moon, Hermit in reverse, and Six of Wands. So in your situation today, guys, Sagittarius, you are successful in certain things. Maybe in your career you have achieved some goals for yourself, some kind of success, happiness because of that, and you are happy that things are going in a particular way. But you should remember that in this success there are many people uh, who have helped you, so you should not forget their help and their support, guys. And I also see that uh, in certain situations you have fear or you are quite anxious about certain things. So it may be in your relationship, or it may be something to do in your work situation. So maybe certain things are not going according to your expectations, so some kind of worries or fears because of that, because of the way things are going, guys. And maybe for some of you, you are taking too many precautions, maybe, guys. uh, Even before that, something happening bad or turning negative, you are quite worried and anxious about the results or how things may uh, go in your situation. So some kind of apprehensions, worries are there. You are having some unreasonable fears or unreasonable worries that may uh, maybe you are quite anxious about certain things in your life. It may be you are expecting something, maybe, guys, maybe an answer from someone. So something is worrying you, keeping you on the edge. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. Let us see what is the card for your relationship first, guys. We have High Priestess. So, with this card in your situation today, guys, maybe for some of you, we were just seeing fear and anxiety. So, the truth is going to be revealed, guys. So, you need not fear what is happening in this connection. So, maybe for some of you, you were worried, you were having worries where this connection is going or what is there in this person's mind. So, for some of you, there is a positive news today. Maybe they are speaking their mind, telling you the truth, or you may be learning the truth about something today, guys, or it may be something negative for some of you. So, the truth, it may not be something you like. That is what I see with this card for your relationship, guys. Sagittarius, let's see what is this card for your career situation. So it is Sun in reverse. So in your career, maybe things are not going in a very extraordinary way, but things are proceeding in a positive way, guys. So bit by bit, your situation, your career situation is proceeding in a positive way today, Sagittarius. So that is the reading, guys. Let's see what is your crystal spirit's guidance. So we have Tiger Eye. That is the crystal for y'all today, guys. So this crystal stands for that positive willpower and optimism. So when we have that positivity in our heart, we will be able to manifest things in a beautiful way in our situation, guys. So let it be in our career or let it be something in our personal life. When we have positive motives, when we have positive intentions, so things will go in a very positive way in our life, guys. And that is the reading for you all today, Sagittarius. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.